Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In previous video we discussed about our spring batch and we just discussed how launching of our second application using our spring batch. In this video we will discuss some storyboard and we will develop our second application. Okay, what is our agenda is we read from CSV file to our database table using our spring batch. So what I will do, see, I am taking a CSV file. Assume that this is our employee dot CSV. CSV means Excel file. Okay, this is my employee file here having some records. Okay, assume that my employee ID is there, then my employee name is there, and some salary. Okay, and where is the place? Okay, let's take uh, Bangalore. Okay. Like that, we have another record also, like 102 we have some uh, Rani and Amy's and some salary, and is belongs from PR. Okay, see, in this way we have thousands of records. Okay, assume that we are taking some thousand of record like this. Okay, what we will do, we will read this to CSV file data uh, to our application, where using what, using our flat file item reader. Hope you remember in previous section we discussed about this flat flat file flat file item reader. Okay, here F is capital. Okay, flat file item reader. So using this we'll read what is the parameter. Okay, and the type is employee type. Okay, then what we'll do, firstly what we will will specify the location where it is the file have. Okay, we'll specify the location. First is location, second is what, second is we'll specify the line mapper. Okay, we discussed in previous class. Okay, line mapper. Okay, line mapper, like what, default line reader kind of things we will use there. Okay, line mapper to read our data, first data. Okay, then thirdly what we'll do, thirdly we'll specify the line tokenizer. Okay, line what, tokenizer. Okay, line tokenizer, then we will tokenize our data. Okay, then lastly what we will do, we will specify the what, our fourth step, last step, what we'll do, we'll specify flat file, sorry, flat set mapper. Okay, flat set flat set mapper. Okay, flat set mapper, what we will do, to convert. Okay, mm, to convert to convert or to convert our what line. Okay, convert our line content line content to model class, line content to model class. Okay, model class object by class object by giving by giving to the to token, and by mapping line token. Okay, mapping line tokens to our model class object. Okay, like this. Means how it will means, see. Okay, what no equal to 102, name equal to some what Rani, what our salary. Okay, salary is equal to something, sorry, what is that? Okay, salary, then address. Okay, is and another two things also give. What is that? We'll calculate those things. Our gross salary, gross plus is equal to null, and like what gross salary, net salary, gross net. Okay, net will null. Okay, net will be null. Then what lastly will give into, yeah. Okay, uh, okay, then we will give what input as a, this is what employee class object. Okay, we will give the input. Okay, input, give input. Okay, what is the input? Input to our processor. Will give to the processor. What is that processor? Our employee item, like sorry, our employee item processor. Okay, this is our custom. Okay, custom processor. Okay, some name. Okay, employee processor. Okay, here is the input is emp, output also emp. Okay, input is emp, output is emp. Here we will calculate what net cell. Okay, net and gross. Net and gross will calculate here, and we will give as a, okay, give as a output. Okay, output what, like this. Okay, we have like this model class object having all those details. Okay, I'm copying this. Okay, having this data, here null is not there. Okay, some data will come here. Okay, gross salary will come, net salary will come. Okay, for understanding purpose I am writing dummy things. Okay, dummy things we am writing. Okay, then what will go? Okay, as a output it came, is what output. Okay, output will came this object to what chunk size is 3. Okay, chunk size I'm taking something. Okay, chunk size I'm giving what chunk size I'm giving some 3. Okay, 3 records at a time. Then what we'll do next, our right will move to writer is what we taken JDBC batch item writer. Okay, what is that? JDBC batch item reader. Okay, JDBC batch item reader. There what will go? Okay, at a time 3 records came. Okay, 3 records came at a time. Chunk size is 3. That's why 3 list of record came here. Okay, here came what? List of EMP record. Okay, what? Then what we'll do? What we'll do here? Firstly, we will create object for our JDBC batch item writer. Sorry, this is not reader. My mistake. Sorry. This is what item writer. This is what writer. Okay, writer. JDBC item writer. Then what? JDBC item writer specifying what? Specifying the our EMP employee as a generic type. Okay, generic type. Then next what we will do, second point will do, we will link our ds means our data source. Okay, hope you remember this. Okay, then third thing is what? Third thing we will do, will our SQL query we will run. Okay, SQL will run. Then SQL query will run using what? Named parameters. Some name. Okay, named parameters we will use as a input. And next fourth point we will use our our provide we will provide data to provide data to our SQL query. Okay, SQL query named parameters param by giving what? By giving our model class object. Okay, then what our this is what our source provide, where we will use what? Our source provider. Okay, source provider we will use. Okay, uh source provider details. Okay, next what, fifth point, will our make insert our SQL query batch to insert, okay, to insert to insert record, the record to our DB table. Okay, like this we will use. What will in last step, what will we use? See, in the list box there is our what, insert SQL query 1, insert SQL query 2, insert SQL query 3. Okay, writing this, see, insert SQL, insert SQL 1, okay, like this. Okay, okay, two, okay, time 3 na, 2 3, okay, at a time 3 insert SQL query will this batch query will run. Okay, this batch query run, batch query will run. Okay, then what, this batch query will run to our database software, okay. Lastly, this is what, our DBS, okay, database software. Okay, okay, then something more we will discuss. This is our storyboard of our uh, second application development. Next what, next point is our flat file item reader. Okay, this is, we will discuss some more thing about this. Okay, in previous call we discussed, but I left some points there. Okay. Okay, to working of this our flat file item reader, we have, we use some classes. Okay, so we follow some classes as the supporting classes, supporting classes. Okay, what is the first class? First class is our default default line reader. Okay, default line reader, this is for to read each line, okay, to read each line of our CSV file. Okay, then I'm now writing, if you understand. Okay, then then delimited line and okay, delimited line tokenizer. Okay, why will use to split? Okay, to split we will use this. Okay, this supporting class we will use. Then third is our bin wrapper. Bin wrapper build build set build set bin wrapper build set mapper. Okay, we'll use this to map. Okay, to map each line. Okay, each line token given our model class object. Okay, then while working this our what JDBC fetch item writer will use some supporting class also. Let me select it. Okay, then there we also follow some classes as a supporting class. Okay, first is what we discussed. Okay, first is what our data source. Okay, data source for getting connection. Okay, getting pulled connection. Then second we will use what bin. Okay, bin property item bin property item SQ SQL parameter bin property item SQL parameter source provider. Okay, we'll use this class to provide what our given okay, given java bin class object may or you can say model class object property model to provide given model class object property values as the SQL query to provide given model class object property value as the SQL query named parameter. Okay, named parameter values. Okay, values. There the named parameter names are our model class property names. Okay, here is one key point also there. In working with our named properties, it should be matched with our model class property names. Okay, must match, otherwise it will throw error. Okay, let's start. develop our first application. First, what we'll do, we'll create a project. Okay, let's move to what is that batch. Okay, file, new, spring start project there. Okay, what we need, spring batch, spring batch. What is the project name we are taking? What will take? Yeah, uh, csv2 db table. Okay, csv2 db table. Okay, 0 fine. Next, what are the, we need Lombok API. Okay, and what are the Lombok API, need SQL VC API. Okay, then what we will need Oracle driver also we need. Yes, is Oracle driver also need Lombok JDBC API, Oracle driver, and main our spring batch also I need. Okay, batch, Oracle driver. Here we didn't need H2 database. Okay, we'll discuss about H2 database. Why we didn't need means, here we didn't take H2 database because in this project we use our Oracle database. Okay, Oracle database is a destination of our job repository. So there our in memory, job, our processing data there saved. Okay, I will show you that thing. Okay, after 5-10 minutes I will show you that thing. Okay, let's progress. We need this much. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, this is our project. Okay, okay, let the project will build. We need what, we need one, our excel data to generate thousands of records as excel data. We have to take support of one application called, and we will take uh, one site is there, like Mocaro inside. Let me check. Macaro. Okay, Macaro is there. Okay, to generate our thousands of records. Okay, it random data generate. Okay, yes, my project is created. Spring batch 02 not created. Okay, give this time it will create. Okay, see, here will generate. Okay, CSV format, we want CSV format. Okay, Excel or CSV format. Okay, then okay, mm, Okay. First, what we need? First, we need employee employee name number. Okay, what is that? ENO. ENO is type. What type? ENO is number type. Okay. Search here number. Okay. Here it is a number type. And what is the minimum? Okay, blank, blank. Okay, leave that blank. Okay. What is the minimum? Our minimum is 1. Maximum I need some 1,000 employees. Okay. Decimal, all those things, leave it. Okay. Then what? My e-name. E e-name is what? First name blank. Okay. Right. Okay. Then what we need? E address. E address. What is that address? Hmm, address is what type? Thing like address is city type. Okay. City type we need. Okay, city type. Then what we'll need? Then we'll need cell salary. Okay, salary is type what? Number type only. Okay. Okay, number. Okay. We don't need this salary. What? Minimum minimum amount. I'm taking some 10,000 salary, minimum salary, and maximum salary I'm taking 1,000 lakhs. Okay. Some lakh. Okay, all this done. Okay, rows and 1,000. Okay. Mm, okay, preview. Yes, my data is right. Okay, download the data. Okay, let's download the data. See, here download all the data here. Okay, it generated randomly 1,000 records. Okay, okay, we downloaded. So in folder X, okay, we'll paste in batch folder. Okay. Here I'm pasting that. Okay. Hmm. This is what? Ploy for. Okay. Ploy underscore info. Okay. Okay. Uh, let's open this. Okay. Okay, it is creating. Okay, see, here is our here the see the number is like here and there. Select this and there is a home. In that home, sort by filters, sort as smallest to largest. out. Okay. 62 time. This is headache. Will give error. Okay. Okay. We'll solve that error later. Okay. Let's let's move to our discussion. Okay. In this uh, my batch here, I need in the resource package, I need my this XML where it is. See, all the numbers is duplicate is there. Okay. So we'll do this is one, this is two, three. Okay, select this. Okay, happening. Thousands of records are there. Wait. Oh, okay. I think this issue is gone. Okay, I think this issue is gone. Okay. Okay, let's save this. Do you want some features of this workbook? Why not save? Okay, then what I will where it is that this page, copying this. Okay, I'm copying this, I'm pasting in the resource folder. Okay, then okay, then I have to create some packages. Okay, what packages? Hmm, 1 minute, I'm closing. Close all window. I didn't need also. This also I didn't. Okay. Okay. Next, what we'll do? We'll create some packages. New package. The package. It is com dot nt dot sorry com dot rpl dot config. Okay, config for configuration file, finish it. Okay, let me open my SQL developer, my database open. Okay, new package com.rpl.listener. Okay, listener, finish it. Then the new package, we need listener. Then we need model class object, right? com.rpl dot model finish. New package com.rpl dot processor. Sir, we need writer and reader. We take what predefined. Okay, string supplied. Take. Then next package, what we'll need, we need one runner also. Okay, com.rpl dot runner. Okay, we need this much package. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I'm just your dot save folder. Okay, let's open my SQL developer. Now we'll create a, okay, before this is a loading, let's complete our application properties work. Okay, what is the application property work means? We'll write, okay, spring, okay, spring dot batch dot job dot spring dot batch dot job dot enabled. So bad, not coming. Full space. Enabled is equal to false. Okay, why we writing this means, um let me write here. Okay, let me write what our start the batch 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 processing only when our what launcher dot launch method launch method is called. Okay, okay, then what, uh then we'll use our schema job repository for job repository, what will then writing the comment, initialize our initialize the is the what our schema file, the job repo. Okay, job repository. What is that? Spring dot batch dot spring dot batch dot jdbc dot initialize schema is equal to always. Okay, always. Okay, means always means generated the data tables our keeping underlying database, like our job keeping job activities in repository, like when job is started, when all those things data will save there. Okay, save in our database table. Then the next thing what we will do, we will configure our data source. Okay, our data source config. Okay, I will data source configuration. Okay, go to Google, data the source configuration, springboot. Okay, let's connect our local connection. Let's okay, let's type our password. Okay, okay, programmatically, not programmatically, property. Okay, in proper properties, application dot properties. Yeah. Okay, let's configure. Okay, any string dot data source driver mysql, this is mysql sim data source dot url driver class name. Okay, username password, yes. Okay, not wow. Okay, controls. Okay, let's move to our data source configuration. Okay. Hmm. Okay, here is our oracle dot jdbc dot driver oracle driver at the rate localhost. This is my what my express id set. Okay. Then this is system my db password. Okay, my db password. Oh, my db password, I will put my password here. Okay, this is what the one quickly. Hello, see local. Okay, okay, that's all for the video. We will develop this application in another video. Okay, this video is getting long. Thank you.